When an electric vehicle whizzes by, have you ever wondered what secretly drains its battery? Beyond familiarized wind resistance, there's an overlooked stealthy battery drain: tire rolling resistance. Simply, rolling resistance is energy consumed by tire deformation and friction during rolling. It directly impacts EV endurance and fuel vehicle consumption. Reducing it is a key breakthrough for vehicle economy. That's why tire rolling resistance is brought to mandatory standards globally. China's upcoming national standards constrain RR limits, while EU will conduct testing based on tire labeling regulations, prohibiting the sale of products not meeting the minimum limit, and gradually phase out low-grade products through phased limit values. Nowadays, optimizing tire rolling resistance is now a global consensus. It not only concerns tech innovation, but also carries energy efficiency and environmental responsibility. Want precise measurement methods? Follow TMSI, we dive deeper next time.